First is that you need to get to your YouTube app. If you don't have that, install it. So I'll tap on that. As the app opens, search for the video you want to download and click on it. In this case, let's say that this video here is what I want to download. So I will tap on it first.
Number 2 is deleting.
Once the video opens, you may see an advert like this. You can skip the advert. If you can't skip it just like this, just click on this close icon, okay, for you to see some buttons here. Okay, now you look at the under the creator's name, one that is the creator in this case. You will see the like, you see unlike, dislike button, you see share, remix, and the rest. Drag this way until you get to download. All right, tap on that download button. Then you will see this information here. Medium is selected, the medium quality. You have low. If you don't want it to take much of your mobile data, if you're using mobile data, tap on that option. Okay, if you're a premium user, you can select full HD for more quality or high. All right, but say I'm not a premium user and I'm okay with the medium selection. So after that, tap on the download button, which you can see at the bottom right. So hold on for the video to be downloaded. And here, this video is downloaded. You can see video downloaded. All right, meaning that everything is okay in this case. So I can close this app. If you get to the Photos app of your iPhone or gallery, for those that use Android, you will not see this video we just downloaded. Yes, the reason is because even though it is offline, YouTube doesn't want us to have it in any of these pre-installed apps, so that you don't go messing around with people's videos, okay, creators' videos. But the truth is that you can play it offline, but not on your Photos app, on your gallery. Let me show you how you can play that. Okay, first let me turn off my data. So I will swipe down to access the control, and then I will tap here and then toggle off the data. Okay, I have turned off my data. Let's confirm it. So I will access the control. You can see the data option, cellular data, is turned off. I'm not using Wi-Fi. Okay, so now let's now go and see how you can access this video we just downloaded on YouTube. First is to get to your YouTube app and tap on it. I'll tap OK, no problem. Okay, once your YouTube app opens, you'll be taken to the offline videos. That's videos you downloaded offline. And look at the one I just downloaded now. It is there. So this is how you access that video you downloaded. And if I play it now, it will play very well with that internet connection. Alternatively, if you are not taken to the videos you downloaded offline, you can tap on your profile icon. In this case, you can see the section with the text "you" showing my face. So I will tap there. Once you tap there, select downloads. So it will list some videos that you downloaded in the recent time. And note, after 30 days, you will need internet connection for you to keep on using that video offline. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you, and see you some other time.